if diagnosis is diabetes and precautions are empty, should ServiceNow allow save? Today, I will show you a real pharmacy app, business rule used in production. Let's start. Because one wrong way in pharmacy app can break medical complaints. Let me show you how a business rule prevents it step by step. Let's start. This is a pharmacy app I am created it within various fields of prescription number, patient name, patient weight, patient age, body temperature, medicine type, blood pressure level, sugar level, symptoms, precautions, bill amount, payment done, and doses per day, gender, dispensed date, total quantity, diagnosis, status, number of days. These fields I am created with these fields I am created pharmacy app, and I am running with this app with the complete business rules. Let's start our requirement and discuss with this. Our requirement is here. If the diagnosis is diabetes, the precautions field must be filled before saving record. Same thing is here. If the diagnosis is diabetes, then precautions field is empty. It must be filled before saving record. So before saving record, it means before the data into server. Why it's necessary? Because of medical safety, compliance, and no incomplete prescriptions. Mainly as per compliance and safety. So what are the possible ways to solve this issue? There are so many possible ways are there, like that business rules are there, data policies are there, UI policy is there, client script is there, dictionary override is there, dictionary entry is there, ACL is there. So one by one, we will compare best method. Coming to ACL, it's not suitable for the UI, user interface, APIs and imports and backend and safe. ACL will access the rules. So it won't be suitable for this. And dictionary also, it won't be suitable for this dictionary entry also. Client script is suitable for user interface only, but it not suitable for server because it will APIs is there, imports are there, and backend script is there. It won't suitable for the backend. It won't suit also. It won't save also to production. So it's only suitable for the user interface only. So it should be avoided. UI policy is there, but it's suitable only for UI. It will assist only. It won't suitable for APIs, import and backend safe. And compared to these all methods, data policy is somewhat okay, somewhat good. But as compared to all things, before business rule is the best option because it will applicable for the user interface and APIs, imports, backend script, and safety of the data. That is as compatible with the data policy rules. So production is a safe design. UI policy will guide the users, but it's optional only. Before business rule is the best option because even if UI fails, backend still blocks save. So as per our requirement, the fields is diagnosis and precautions because requirement is here. If the diagnosis is diabetes, the precautions field must be filled before saving record. So the requirement fields is diagnosis and precautions. These two fields we can require. Just we can develop the script with these two fields only. Let's start our discussion. Just copy as per our requirement. Then go to business rules. You can navigate business rule by sys_script.list or through system navigation by entering business rules. We can navigate and click on new. Name we will copy the here. As per our requirement only, we can select the name. Then table is we build a pharmacy app. That's custom application. Pharmacy app. Then click on advanced. It will showing the advanced highlights, and when to run will highlight. So we are using before business rule, and previously we used several orders. That's why it will collide with the other business rules. So to stop this collisions, we can erase the different orders. Previously up to we are using 700. So now we are using 800 or 900. While inserting and updating, it will apply. The rule will apply. Then click on advance, it will be there. Before that, go into this. We can break the requirement into simple steps. If the diagnosis is diabetes, the precautions field must be filled before saving the record. Just simple. If diagnosis is diabetes, check whether precautions is filled. If empty, show an error and do not save record. That's it, guys. Just based on this, we can type this. Just copy this and keep on this in comment. Then we can build the logic. If diagnosis diabetes, as per our requirement, we can build the logic. Now what we are doing, we are giving input to the system as a logic. Check if diagnosis is diabetes. How we can check? So if condition we are using now, if current dot current is current table, current dot we need to table we need to field of diagnosis now, because if diagnosis is diabetes, so we need to take the field value of diagnosis. Can go to this pharmacy app and we can take the diagnosis field value by right clicking on show diagnosis, and field value is copy and paste it here. Current dot diagnosis equal to, just we are assigning value to the diabetes. Can take the backend value of diabetes. Backend value is small diabetes. Then start curly bracket. Then what's next step? Check whether precautions is filled. Just copy. Best practice is to use comments frequently. Then only other analysts or other developers will check, will know what purpose we are created. Then easily they will, if any modifications will require, they will modify easily. It will guide them. Check whether precautions is filled. So we need to give input to the system as precautions are filled or not. So if we are entering now, if, then using current dot. So we need to take backend value of precautions. Why? As per our requirement, here we are already decided to create. Check whether precautions is filled. So we are using if dot current. If current dot current means checking the current table. We need to take precautions backend value. Precautions are empty or not, we are now checking. We are giving input to the system. That's why we are copying the precautions field. U underscore precautions is the backend value of precautions field. Then just here paste it. U underscore precautions. Then if precautions is empty, field is empty, then click on nil. Then what's the requirement? Check precautions field if empty. If empty, show error message. If empty means nil. Already we are using nil. Then it will show the error message. How error message will come? Error message will come by in before business rule gs.add error message option. Then click on step 3. Just copy them. Show error. gs dot add error message. Gs dot add error message. What error we need? We need error message of precautions are mandatory for diabetes patients. Precautions. Just we are entering here this, then semicolon at the end. Then what's next step? Do not save record. How it can possible? It can possible by with set about action true. Then do not save record. Stop the do not save record. Stop from saving. How? Current dot set about action true. Then enter semicolon. Then just format the code. Then just submit. Then we can check with this. Patient name is Chitti Babu. Just we are entering giving inputs. Chitti Babu means small Babu. Patient weight is, for example, for him 80 kgs. Patient is 38 for him. Then body temperature is 97 currently we are keeping. Just we are keeping as such a leave tablet syrup. Based on inputs, it will select. Sugar level is for him 220. Just who can submit. See, it's showing error message. Precautions are mandatory for diabetes patients. Invalid inset. So as per our requirement, we already given this requirement in the form of business rule. So same, if diagnosis is diabetes, check whether precautions is filled. If empty, show error, do not save record. Its logic is working. Now we are giving precautions. Chitti Babu, take care, do daily exercises, and avoid foods, and avoid carbs, avoid more carbs. That's it. Just we can submit, it will save. Before submit, take the copy and then submit. Yes, it's taken. You can check. As per our previous business rules and current business rule, it's saved and it's suggested just we given the sugar level value and the inputs of patient weight and patient name. Then based on that, it's calculated doses per day and diagnosis is as a diabetes and number of days per medicine is total quantity 60. Number of days are 30 tablets, 30 days for 60 tablets. So it will automatically calculated. And precautions is Chitti Babu, please take care, do daily exercise and avoid more carbs. Like that, just to it's noted as precautions and metformin tablet is provided. Like this way, we can very easily do business rules, guys. That's it. So why this is production for SAFE? It will applicable for the UIs and APIs and import sets, background state. It can't be bypassed and editable. It compatible with the audits, data integrity. So as per our this, we conclude as UI rules guide users, but backend validation using before business rules guarantee data integrity. We should use before business rule for this purpose. Thank you guys. Wish you all the best.